Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I have 3 amazing laundry hacks for you that are going to save you time and money. Do you have some stinky jeans, particularly the ones that you order online? Heck, even in the store they have these smells that you can't seem to get out even after you've washed it and washed it and washed it? I have a solution for you. Get yourself a bag, preferably a Ziploc bag. I'm all out of them here, so I'm just going to use this bag right here. Put your jeans in the bag, get all the air out, and voila. And as crazy as this sounds, pop them right in your freezer. This is going to kill the bacteria that is housed within those jeans, making them stink, and the dyes that tend to be very pungent. After about 24 hours or so, go ahead and take your jeans out and wash per usual. You can also do this laundry hack with stinky shoes. Got issues with bleeding or fading when it comes to your laundry? Not anymore, my friend. Get yourself, I would say, about 1/4 a cup to a 1/2 a cup of salt like we have right here. Go ahead and throw this directly into your drum. It could be a front loader, it could be a top loader, and add your laundry per usual. Works like a charm every time. By the way, if you're looking for an excellent whitening routine, I will link that video in the description box below. It is how I have white sheets, white towels, all things white with 4 children. If you do not like the option of freezing your shoes, maybe you do not have enough room or it's just too weird for you, get yourself some alcohol. I do not even dilute this. I just go ahead and put it in the spray bottle right here, put them in your shoes, put them in any sort of clothing in the armpits that have stinky smells and other places. You know what I'm talking about, especially when it comes to that workout gear. Let it sit and do its job to kill all that bacteria and make everything smell amazing. This is probably the easiest solution when it comes to removing all the smells and making things like new. Since we're on the topic, this is one of my favorite ways to also clean my stainless steel sink and make that drain smell amazing. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.